Do you know how big the city of God will be? The Bible actually tells us, and its size is almost impossible to imagine. In Revelation 21:2, the Apostle John writes, "I saw the holy city, the New Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God, prepared as a bride adorned for her husband." Then an angel begins measuring the city. Revelation 21:16 says, "The city lies foursquare, and the angel measured the city with the rod, 12,000 stadia. Its length and width and height are equal." When we convert that into modern measurements, the New Jerusalem is about 1,500 miles long, 1,500 miles wide, and 1,500 miles high. Let's start at the base. The ground area alone covers nearly 2 million square miles, roughly half the size of the United States, and much larger than India. If you measured just one side using football fields, it would stretch across more than 26,000 football fields in a straight line. The walls surrounding the city are also massive. Revelation 21:17 tells us they measure 144 cubits thick, about 216 feet, roughly the height of a 20-story building. But the most astonishing part is the height. This city rises 1,500 miles into the sky. To understand that scale, Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, is about 5.5 miles high. The deepest place in the ocean, the Mariana Trench, reaches nearly 7 miles deep. Yet the New Jerusalem would rise more than 250 times higher than Everest. Even the International Space Station, orbiting Earth at around 250 miles above the planet, would still be flying inside this city. Now imagine the space inside, with dimensions of 1,500 miles in every direction. The city contains about 500 quintillion cubic feet of space. If every person had 1,000 square feet to live in, with ceilings about 10 feet high, each person would occupy around 10,000 cubic feet. At that size, the New Jerusalem could theoretically hold around 50 quadrillion people. For comparison, scientists estimate that about 120 billion humans have ever lived on Earth. This city could hold hundreds of thousands of times more people than that, with space still remaining. And its shape is just as meaningful, because its length, width, and height are equal. The city forms a perfect cube. In 1 Kings 6:20, the most sacred room in the temple, the Holy of Holies, was also a perfect cube, the place where God's presence dwelt, but only one priest could enter, and only once a year. Then comes the promise of Revelation 21:3. "Behold, the dwelling place of God is with men. He will dwell with them, and they will be his people." The entire city becomes the Holy of Holies, not just a city of gold, but a city designed to reveal the immeasurable grace of God. The New Jerusalem, where heaven and earth finally become one.